Hello, I'm Dylan Schultz, Commercial Account Manager with Concrete PolyFix. Whenever possible, we evaluate lifting as the first option, as it can save a business a considerable amount of downtime as well as up to thousands of dollars of savings versus full replacement. We begin this evaluation by inspecting high-traffic pedestrian areas. Any slab settled or sunken by a 1/4 inch or more poses a trip hazard and should be flagged for consideration. Second, we check parking lots and loading docks. In this case, a 1/2 inch or more of settling or sinking is threshold for concern. Cracks are closely inspected. Some are cosmetic, but wider or deeper cracks can signal subbase issues. Voids beneath slabs may require filling before lifting. If a slab has multiple structural cracks, replacement may be necessary. Minor cracks with solid support can often be stabilized and lifted. Spalling, when chunks of concrete break away, often requires replacement, especially if deeper than 1 inch or in multiple areas. Scaling is thin surface flaking. Light scaling can be repaired, but widespread or deep scaling may need resurfacing or replacement. We thoroughly inspect all slabs, joints, and edges, as early detection prevents larger failures and costly future large-scale replacements. Make your concrete smoother and safer for all by visiting us for a free quote at concretepolyfix.com or by phone at 309-761-6398.